In this tutorial, you'll learn how to do a basic search using NIU Libraries Search. A basic search should look familiar since it works a lot like the searches you do in Google, Bing, or any other search engine. It's carrying out a keyword search, looking for your search terms anywhere in the item's record, whether you're searching for a particular author, title, or subject. By default, NIU Libraries Search is set to look for items such as books and articles that are available to you from our library. However, you can also click on the caret and select NIU and Beyond to include requestable items in your search, such as books from Illinois libraries, or to WorldCat to search for items that may be requestable worldwide. To begin your basic search, go to the search bar in the middle of the library's homepage and type in the word or phrase you're looking for. Then hit Enter or click the magnifying glass on the right-hand side of the search bar to return the results. To make the best use of your search, be sure to sign in using your NIU credentials, that's your Z or AID, and password. Once your search results appear, you can narrow down the results using filters in the left-hand column. For more information about using filters, check out our Advanced Search Guide. Even when doing a basic search, you can use some simple tools to get better results. Use the words and, or not, all in caps, between your search terms. This can help you further refine your results. These terms are known as Boolean Operators, and they tell the system what to include or not include when returning results. For example, or broadens your results. Searching for barbed wire or razor wire returns over 3,000 results. And narrows your results, since it means that both phrases must appear in each record. A search for barbed wire and razor wire returns just 22 results. Not narrows your search by excluding words. A search for barbed wire, not razor wire, returns under 3,000 results because it's excluding anything that mentions razor wire. Using Boolean operators as part of your basic search can help you carry out a more targeted search that leads to more useful results. For additional help, use the Chat with the Librarian service on the library's homepage to connect with the librarian during our virtual reference hours or visit us in person at the Research Help Desk.